Alright, someone recently asked, hey, can you make a video for putting the seats back in, which is a smart thing to do. So whoever that was, now you got a video for how to put the seats back in after you take them out. First thing, make sure that they're folded down. There you go. Get all your junk out of the back again. All right, once you have the back seat in, you're gonna want to get these hooks aligned. These are not aligned right now. This back one here needs to be here, and then you can't really see it, but the front part up there will catch on this front D-ring right there. Okay, once you have these back rings in place, make sure that they're centered. These hooks are centered, and you're pretty much just gonna push it forward really hard. That's it. There we go. And those front ones are going to lock in place. That's what, taking it out, that's what you squeeze this bar for. So we're going to push it forward. And then to check and make sure it's in there, just put your finger on the bottom and make sure that hook goes all the way around that D-ring on both sides. And you can kind of see it here, but it's hooked on both sides. And then from here, you just pull it back. And then pull the seats back. And now they're locked in place. All you gotta do is put the headrest in. And now just a quick reminder for removal. Flip it up, push it forward, up, grab the handle, pull it back, and then just pull it out of the back. And then put your dog's bed back in there so he's comfy while you're riding around.